Good morning, fabulous family. I have been inspired to have my calendar of fabulous events already set and ready for y'all to join me in 2022. I will be putting up 3 months of events that will take place on my channel so that you can prepare early. As always, please use YouTube etiquette when participating. Please keep video to a minimum of 10 minutes so that everyone is able to move down the playlist. Also, double check the hashtag so your video will populate to the playlist. Um, Kindly do not show the process in your videos or DIYs, and please do a separate video if you wish so that you may get your watch time hours and your views. I will be having open collaborations every other month in 2022. I hope you will join me, and all are invited to participate. So let's move into the calendar of events for the next 3 months. We're going to start off with February 2022, and it's called Be My Boo for Valentine's Day. Now, with this open collaboration, we want it to be a no spin challenge. Use what you have, please, and do what's best for your channel and your platform, your audience. You can use any decor to design like a vignette, a bedroom design, a master bathroom like tub area, maybe table decor, tier tray, coffee bar, etc., etc. Do what you would like to do for this collaboration. And if you don't mind, tell us if you celebrate Valentine's Day and what are your plans for the day and for the evening. The title is going to be My Boo for Valentine's Day, and the hashtag will be the same, Be My Boo 2020, Be My Boo 22. The date is going to be February the 5th, 2022, and the time at 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The host is myself, Kel. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Please make sure to mention me in your video and also have my channel link down in your description box. So that was going to be for February collaboration. And moving into April, this is something new on my channel for this year. It is called the He Has Risen 2022. The hashtag will be the same, He Has Risen 22. And you know, April is the celebration of Jesus when he rose again. So the time is going to be 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the date for that is April the 9th, 2022. And again, myself, Kel, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it, is your host. Now, with this collaboration, it can be anything that you choose to do. Again, do what's best for your channel. I'm just throwing out ideas. Maybe a vignette, a table decor, a tier tray, an Easter wreath, a cross, biblical items, angels, so forth. And Easter is a celebration of Jesus. So in this challenge, please design something pertaining to our Lord Christ. You can use your Easter items if you wish. Please use what you have. And this also is a no spin challenge. Do what's best for your channel. Now, it's going on about a year ago, I did the annual Hawaiian luau. And because I was in the process of moving, I was not able to do it in 2021. So y'all, we are going back to Hawaii. Those that did not participate back in 2020, please try to join in. We had so much fun. It really felt when I watched everybody's videos that I was actually at Hawaii. So the title is going to be Hawaiian Luau 2022. The hashtag Night Out in Hawaii 22. And the date for this collaboration is June the 18th, 2022. The time is 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And myself, Kel, If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it, is your host. Now, the items for this collaboration, I want to do it like in a night thing for Hawaii outside, weather permitting in your area. Please make sure to film early. And design like an outside escape as if you were in Hawaii. Please use what you have. And it could be any Hawaiian theme. It could be a barbecue, a beautiful tablescape decor outside on your patio, a day at a beach. Maybe if you go to the beach, you could film some parts of the beach and then have like a nighttime area in your yard. Anything you want to do. So I am looking forward. I am already planning, being that it's January. I did 3 videos for the 2020 collaboration with my dolls, and then I had like the outside little parts of the last place that I lived at, and then like my table core. So I don't know what I'm going to do this year. I am using everything that I had. Some stuff was busted up, so I am going to have to repurpose stuff, because that is going to be my annual Hawaiian theme until all this stuff is gone, so I can actually get to Hawaii. And that takes us into like a little sneak peek for July and August. So if you're out shopping, or if you come across an item, you can start gathering your items for the following collaborations for July and August. I am bringing back the annual Under the Sea thing for 2022. Same issue, I was moving, so I was not able to do my fabulous annual open invites. So once again, if you did not participate, or if you're new to YouTube, or you're just coming back to to YouTube, and you want to display like all your nautical and under the sea creatures, and just all your things that you have been collecting, like beachy items, please feel free to join us. It's going to be fabulous. And then we all always have the Sophisticated Ladies Club. We have our All White Party 22, and that is usually in the beginning of August. And then this year, with the twist for the Gold Rush, I am changing it up. And this is just a heads up, and I know we're like almost 8 months out, but I am a planner, and I am doing something new besides the Gold Rush this year. It's going to be called I Am Wonder Woman. So the information for that will be coming probably the end of June or earlier of July. So if you are a Wonder Woman fanatic like I am, watching Leslie Wagner, back in the late 70s or 80s. I have just been a fan of her. And then, as you know, they have the new Wonder Woman out. So I have my granddaughters involved, being Wonder Woman, etc. So if you have any questions pertaining to any of the collaborations, and if you would like to collaborate for any of these collaborations for 2022, you can always email me, just as my channel name says, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it, at hotmail.com. I hope that everyone will come over and join in. I know it was a lot to try to fit in this video, but you will be able to go to my community tab, and you will see all the information, and all the collaborations, the hashtags, the date, and the time. So once again, I appreciate y'all for stopping over. I just wanted to get on real quick and let you know my calendar of events for 2022. Of course, I will be having, the upgrades. I am in my fabulous bathroom, y'all, and it is coming along. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for y'all to see it. I'm still trying to get these light fixtures put in, and I think I'll be done for right now. And I am getting ready to move out into my kitchen. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come on over, join the fabulous family. We have a lot of fun here. I am going to be picking up doing some lives. I'm not sure what night yet, but I have gotten expired when me and the ladies from the Sophisticated Ladies Club did our live back in December, and I just miss all that communicating with you guys here on my channel. So I'm excited for 2022. I hope that you are, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a like and leave me a lovely comment. I love to converse with y'all. I love to get your opinions, your ideas, etc. And y'all know, as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I'll see y'all in another video. Stay blessed and be safe. Wear your mask. Bye-bye.